Hey guys, so we're back with more swatches, and today we have brought to you KKW by Kylie Cosmetics, the latest collections. For this collection we have one velvet, two matte and one gloss lipstick. And let's get swatching. Alright, so first one we have the velvet called Twinning. So this is how twinnings look like, and honestly I really like Kylie's velvet. It's really creamy, it goes smoothly and it feels great. It's not dry at all and it's not too shiny, which I like, and absolutely beautiful, so you can apply more than once. Yeah, it's my favorite. Next one is a matte lipstick called Double Trouble. So this is color Double Trouble in matte, dry down. Do I like it? Not too sure. It's not that great color wise. First of all, you can just see how uneven it is. Like, I don't know, it's just drier than other matte liquid lipstick. It just feels not great for the lips. Let's get to the next one. The next color is also a matte one in Soul Sister. It's a no for me as well. Just look how uneven it is. Kylie also have problems with like dark color. I don't know why. Maybe that helps to whiten your teeth, but it's not enough. Next one. And this last one is a gloss called Main Bay. Let's see how it works. And for the gloss, I will apply on top of Soul Sister to see how it's like. This applicator is annoying, like it's not the right one to apply lip gloss. Talking about Soul Sister with this gloss is better than its own. But talking about the color of the lip gloss, I don't know if it works on its own. I tried, but then it's a no. So out of these four, honestly, only the first one, the Twinning, is a good one, and that's a should buy, but I don't think they sell it individually. So overall, I don't like this collection as much. I mean, it can work better in a darker skin tones, but not that great on mine. So let me know what you guys think in the comment down below. And if you guys want more videos like this, then like this video and subscribe and keep up with our coming videos. Bye!